Rava AI is one of the most exciting AI tools just released, and today I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this new software. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just someone trying to stay ahead of the tech curve, this video will give you everything you need to decide if Rava AI is right for you. And don't forget, you can try this software completely free from the first link below. Let's jump into it. First off, Rava AI stands out for its sleek, user-friendly interface. For those of you who aren't familiar, this is a game-changing software that uses cutting-edge AI technology to simplify your workflow, save you time, and get results faster than ever before. But here's the catch. It's powerful, yet incredibly easy to use, even for someone who isn't tech-savvy. One of the best features I've found with Rava AI is its ability to automate content creation. Whether it's social media posts, blog articles, or product descriptions, Rava AI can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Imagine being able to create an entire content calendar in a few clicks, with all the SEO best practices built right in. But that's not all. Rava AI has a smart analytics dashboard that gives you real-time insights into your content performance. It tracks engagement, analyzes audience behavior, and provides recommendations on what to tweak to boost results. If you're into digital marketing, this is a game changer, because you're not just creating content. You're making data-driven decisions that lead to better engagement and conversions. Now, one of the standout elements of Rava AI is its collaboration features. If you're working with a team, this software makes it seamless. You can collaborate on campaigns, share feedback, and track progress all within the platform. It's perfect for agencies, content teams, or businesses that need to stay organized and efficient. And if you're concerned about pricing, don't be. Rava AI has a flexible pricing structure that suits different needs, whether you're an individual creator or part of a larger enterprise. Plus, they offer a completely free trial so you can get a feel for the software before committing. What's also impressive is Rava AI's continuous updates. As AI technology evolves, Rava is constantly rolling out new features and improving the software, which means you're not investing in something that's going to get outdated in a year or two. It's built with the future in mind. Another key feature is Rava AI's integration with popular platforms like Google Analytics, Shopify, and various social media tools. It makes syncing data across your systems so much easier. You won't need to jump between apps to get the job done. Finally, Rava AI isn't just for marketers. It's perfect for small business owners, content creators, and even large enterprises looking to streamline their operations and enhance productivity. The level of automation it offers can save you hours of work every week, so you can focus on the bigger picture. If you're still not sure if Rava AI is right for you, remember this: you can try it completely free from the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, Rava AI is one I definitely recommend to anyone serious about improving their digital strategy. And as always, I've included my top recommended AI software in the description, ones I've personally tested and trust, and they're available for free trials too. So go ahead, check out the link, and start exploring Rava AI. Trust me, it's worth it.